Hey guys, it's Irfan and I've got a HP Compact 6200 small form factor PC here. I'm working on it, trying to get it set up, and I wanted to show you the connection between the computer and the terminal. This is an AOC terminal and it's got VGA and HDMI inputs. The computer has got VGA output and DP output. So what I did originally, I used an Insignia adapter cable with DP on one end and HDMI on the other end, and I used an HDMI to HDMI cable. So I plugged in my adapter to here display port. Now note, it's got a straight edge here and the angled edge here. So it could only fit one way. Same thing with here, you can't put an HDMI cable in here. And this has the orientation to go in like that, and the HDMI cable would hook up here. Now I did that just to test it out. Originally I had wanted to use this here. I sent away for this cable, which is a conversion cable. It's got DP on one end and HDMI on the other end. But this is a 4K high performance cable. It didn't work. That's why I had to send away for these two here. This is an adapter plug. It has DP on one end, display port, and HDMI on the other end. And I'm going to use this cable, which is HDMI to HDMI. Alright, so let me hook it up and we'll see what we got. So this is the cable, HDMI to HDMI, and the adapter. So this part goes into the back of the PC and the cable hooks up to here. That snaps in there. Now the adapter part with the display port end goes into the back of the computer like that, and the cable end, which is HDMI, goes into the terminal. Very snug. I like these cables. So that's our hookup. HDMI on the terminal, HDMI into the adapter, and DP into the computer. So let's power it up and see what we got. I put Windows 10 on it. Originally came with Windows 7. Let me sign on and we'll see what the performance is. So that's what the display looks like with the HDMI to DP adapter. I could go here on the top, see there? Learn about this picture. If I do a right click on it, it says switch to next picture. I click on that and it gives you the other picture. You could see the quality of it. Do another, switch to next picture. There you see. Back to that. Now if I go into my files, these are pictures of flowers I took in my neighborhood. That's a hybrid rose. This is yellow hibiscus. And that's a morning glory. That's kind of like purple. There's some more autumn leaves. This was in Toronto. So you could see the cable works, the adapter works, and if you ever need to get something done like that, that's the way to go. Thank you very much, guys. Bye now.